Okay, just started coming down pretty good, expecting about a foot of snow, and was driving around and found the snowblower in the trash. Got the quad here. That's what I usually use to do the driveway, but with all the vehicles I have now, it'd be nice to get in between them. And this thing doesn't look like it's been used too much. It still has all the knobbies on the tires. Tires are holding air. Something's going on here. Looks like a bearing popped out of the frame there. It's got fuel in it. Looks old, but it's just starting to rust, so might not be too bad. Intake looks clean, not horrible, so get it up on the lift and I'll check for spark before we do anything. Plug out. Looks really good. Feels like it's got good compression. Let's see if this sparks. It's a light spark, but it's sparking. Now let's see what's going on underneath here. See what these bearings go to. Check the oil before we flip it up. Yep, looks good. What's going on in there? Oh man, there's all sorts of stuff hanging down. I'll have to flip it up and see what's going on. Genitals are hanging out. All right. Actually, let's just prime it and see if it starts. It's got spark. If it primes, it'll probably start. That's pretty dry. What's going on there? Oh, it does have a petcock. Okay. On. It's that way. There we go. It's sucking fuel. Let's see if it starts. No way. You gotta be kidding me. Too easy. Alright. So now that we know that it runs, let's definitely flip it up and make sure we don't damage anything else. before we fix whatever's going on in the drive system there. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, it looks like maybe it just lost the snap ring here. And this bearing fell out when I was carrying it in. So maybe that's all that was wrong with this thing from the beginning. This gear still looks good. Looks like this slides into here. Right, I think. It's hard to see while holding the camera, but yeah, up the piece over there. What's that do? Some kind of friction belt. Where did this go? Okay, maybe this. Okay, this goes on this pulley, and then this rides on this wheel and acts like a flywheel, kind of, it looks like. How did this even come off of there? Whoop. Oh man, I have to warm this up. This thing's frozen. Huh. Alright, I'll take this clip out. This thing should pop off. There we go. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, let's rip this off, see if we can get this on here and sandwich it in between there. This looks like a press fit though. I don't even know if we're going to be able to do that. Yep, it is. Let's see. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Alright, that's starting to rust. Let's put something on that. This goes on like that. There we go. Put some Loctite on these because one of these was loose. So I guess this piece of rubber here is what rides on that flywheel and gives it drive. Hopefully that's all that was wrong with it, and that's why the guy threw it out. lined up again. This is your gear selector here, your speed control, which goes down to this arm here. This arm feeds into this shaft, which decides the distance on this wheel, changing your wheel speed. So all we have to do now is there's a bearing on this side. This one fell out. Need to figure out what happened here. Maybe that snap ring groove is bad. But yeah, get that back on. Oh. Need to get this snap ring back in here. Do that real quick. There we go. It fits in there. It fits pretty good. You could get a ring on there. Let's see what we have. Hello? Hello? Almost done. You ready to test it? Unless Kaylee wants to shovel it.
Seems to be coming down so rapidly.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. Clips in there. Just need to fill up these tires with some air. And one more clip for under here to hold that on. And that's it. Everything's there. So we'll see if there's enough snow to test it out yet. Ugh. adjust the thrower, but it's done. Test it out tonight here. It's just a dusting so far, so yeah, we've got about an inch. Maybe another hour or two I'll come out, test it out. Okay, while we're waiting to test this for real, let's adjust the auger engagement. On this one, all you do is loosen these two bolts here and move this pulley down. It takes up the slack in the line. Help it engage a little better. Alright, everything else seemed to be working, so it's all adjusted properly already. Only thing I didn't test is the electric start. I'm gonna do that right now. Let's do that real quick. Yep, works. So, yeah, see how it does tonight. And this way I don't have to beat up the foreman so much this year. Almost ready to test it. Just a few more hours. How deep is it?
It's like an inch.
Inch? All right.
It's like
working pretty good. Get the rest of this knocked out and see how it does.